I'm going to do a little core drill right here. We're going to do some sit-ups, we're going to do some flutter kicks, some crunches, and some bicycle sit-ups. Have everybody start off with sit-ups. Everybody go ahead and start doing some sit-ups. You've got 7 people who are showing you 7 different examples of sit-ups. Just the way they like to do them. You got old Ricky Bobby right there. Those are sit-ups. Okay, now we're going to have everybody put their hands under their hips. And we're going to do some flutter kicks, legs straight, flutter kicks all the way up, all the way down, or little short ones, however you want to do them. Flutter kicks right there. Next, we're going to demonstrate some crunches. Everybody's going to pull those legs up, keep those feet off the ground, hands behind the head, crunch up, meet those elbows to those knees. There's some crunches for you. Last thing we're going to demonstrate is bicycle sit-ups. Close to a crunch, everybody's going to keep those hands behind the head. They're going to bring that right elbow to that left knee, that left elbow to that right knee, and then however fast you want to go. Those are bicycle sit-ups right there. Nice little core drill. You could do this for 3 to 6 minutes. Keep exchanging between the exercises.